Barindindi bakabirira abana bakunze igihugu dushaka kubaka. Ya numva of course bigezweho mu rubyiruko ni vibes. Good vibes ntabwo nzanze, ariko uhagaze kuki? So vibes natwe twese usibye ko dushaje twebwe, ariko zigera ku ihe myaka, zigera no ku bakuru ngira. Vibes n'abakuru ntabwo bazanga, ariko kugira ngo tujye muri vibes tugira aho duhagaze. Please don't invest in vibes, invest in the foundation where you can now vibe. Kuko niba nta foundation ihari karakubaho. Yes. You vibe only for a week. Ngira ngo ibyo mushaka turashaka biri sustainable. We want things that are sustainable. We want to build a society that is resilient. You can't build a society that is resilient on vibes. No, but a resilient society can vibe, isn't it? It is a daily responsibility mukwiriye gutekereza. Ni ikintu mukwiye gutekereza buri munsi. Ntuhore ufite impungenge ariko ejo nzamera nte, nibucya ndaba meze nte. Nugira ikibazo uhorana cya stress, jya umenya ngo 50% ni wowe. You are the responsible person. You have worries, urakora ibintu bigutera stress, but there are different ways of doing things and achieving what you want to achieve. It's not just even the results, it's the process that takes you there. What have you invested in that process? What thinking? What feeling? What commitment in the process to give you the results you want? How kintu kikora hanabuze. Ngo ndindufatira ikimba